How to pay Disney Plus with Google Play. The very first thing that you want to do is download the Disney Plus application if you haven't downloaded one. Or the other thing that you can do is you can still access Disney Plus using the web or any preferred web browser from your phone. Now I'm currently using Google Chrome, and this is the home dashboard from apps.disneyplus.com. Now what you want to do next is just to select on subscribe now, and you'll have to log in or register using your working phone number. Now once you have fully registered, you just have to pay Disney Plus on any preferred payment methods like a certain card that is connected with your Google Play. Once you have successfully made the payment, what you want to do next is to open up your Google Play Store and head over to your profile at the top right portion of your screen, and then just gotta go ahead and choose on payments and subscriptions, and then head over directly to subscriptions. In here, Disney Plus will automatically show once you have successfully subscribed using your Google Play. So that's it. That's how you pay Disney Plus with Google Play.